TV or your console. Right, as you can see the gathering in the tunnel, let's get to it then. Here at Old Trafford for today's winner, it's a trip to the top of the table. For the loser, it's the usual inquests at full time. Let's find out what happens in the company of Martin Keown, who's alongside Ian Darke. Afternoon.
Thank you. But I dare say we'll see him later. Last season, he's got 4 this time around. Darlow and Telles drop out as well. Everton still without Dominic Calvert-Lewin, Richard. Both players making the point that there's no room for racism. Everton getting us underway. He played 5 times for them. Well, so far for them. Here's Greenwood to Wan-Bissaka. Swapping passes with Bruno Fernandes and making that run into the box. Lovely move by Manchester United.
It was.
Nice dummy, Bruno Fernandes. Wan-Bissaka. It's all United early on here. Back post, Martial. Opportunity, couldn't direct it goalwards.
Real opportunity there. I have to say, Wan-Bissaka, real composure on the ball. Looked at feints to deliver. He just... Taken
on by Yerry Mina. Perfectly measured. Greenwood! Just needed a touch.
Takes it so nicely there, Greenwood. It's not his strong foot either.
Help out his defenders. It's a good ball on from Digne to Rondon here. Had the opportunity, wanted all day, and Varane was able to get in. The trophy. Woods that back post and hooked away by Mann. Godfrey to Andros Townsend. Here is the free kick, and Keane looking for a goal against his old club. Just didn't get quite enough on that.
No, again, difficult ball to deal with. Any kind of touch on this, having to go away from the goal though, King.
McTominay just sitting deeper. This is him crossing it now. Rondon wanted it earlier. Varane wins. There between him and Godfrey. Crosses. Crystal Palace die hard, I guess. Oh, chance for Cavani! And beaten away by Jordan Pickford. Cavani is exasperated. Punched the air after that, thinking should have scored.
Well, you have to say Cavani's movement and wonderful ball out, just pulls off the shoulder. First class. You just can't quite get that in the corner enough.
Greenwood. To Corey. It's a good move. Rondon here. Greenwood. He's going to shoot.
There's such power in his shots. I don't think he was ever really on there. That's his confidence.
Earlier on, while he's down there, Digne doesn't like that. Neither do the other Everton players, as the tempers just become a little bit short. McTominay there seemed to think that Digne was making a meal of that. Gordon will have a run at Lindelof. Gets across to the near post, came to Townsend, couldn't direct it goalwards, neither could Rondon before that. Gray accelerating into the space, has a go! Took a good save from De Gea, had to get down quickly, he was travelling. Great play by Demarai Gray. It was Gordon. Greenwood fouled him, and he had a free kick, and there's going to be a yellow card for that for Mason Greenwood on the day after his birthday. Once again, Digne. Good cut back to Corey. Took Wan-Bissaka to block that. Those defenders. Misunderstanding, but Gray. Oh. Mina. Just to have a bite at it. Shaw plays it in this time. And Michael Keane is in a good ball. Bruno Fernandes. Martial. Big opportunity here. 1-0 to Manchester United. Superb goal, finished by Anthony Martial.
Well, we talked about Martial being out of sorts. He didn't look it there. Wonderful finish from him, you have to say, but the approach play First class from Manchester United. Is that
That is half-time. Manchester United striking just before the break, and they did it clinically when offered the opportunity. Before that, Everton had looked good. Came from behind to beat Southampton this season at Goodison and scored 3 in 6 minutes when they were 1 down to Burnley. Has got another today. Greenwood has picked this up. McTominay to Fred. United finding some angles, but Everton grew into that half. Jadon Sancho looks like he's going to come. Townsend. Well measured towards Rondon. Lindelof. Fans have got all kinds of chants about him, of course. Digne trying to stand one up. Townsend got some. Since last 3 visits when he was a Manchester United. Now, what a ball that is. Bruno Fernandes towards Sancho. He's got Rondon up there with him. Others arriving. Gray tries to go alone. Just slightly off balance. Still Greenwood.
starting to look really good, Greenwood.
Helps it on, Bruno Fernandes, and then McTominay. Nicely done, McTominay. Well, big chance here for Townsend. 1-1. He's done it again. Andros Townsend, for the 5th time this season, goes over to the Goodison fans and celebrates, and Everton are level.
Well, it's an absolutely outstanding goal from Everton. That counter-attack we talked about. Everton's 3 outstanding players this season, by the way. Brilliant goal in the end from Townsend.
Bruno Fernandes' corner is too long. Townsend's.
Gordon. Just bypassed Fernandes. Sancho. Another 4-foot. Pogba, McTominay. Ran into the... Jadon Sancho. Ronaldo! Not this time.
No, that's what came off the bench. Experience and youth. And
Townsend.
yeah, I think the Courier's
And Greenwood against Keane.
in half possession.
Sancho for Fernandes. A yard in advance of Ronaldo, kept in by Wan-Bissaka. Away from Mina, set for Pogba! Sparkling from Sancho.
Yeah, well, that's Jadon Sancho.
Ronaldo nearest goal. Pogba got up and got contact, but insufficient. And Godfrey has slipped in. Tom Davis, and Davis asked me for offside on consultation by Michael Oliver. Every instinct.